Ay, yeah. I been driving to the top, see my name up on the block. I got yen, I got one, hit the bag, I make it pop. Tokyo in my blood, ice up on me like a flood. In Japan, out the mud, it's Shibuya, that's my drug. I been driving to.
Alright guys, so this is might be a little bit better quality, might not. Honestly, don't know. I'm actually using a different camera right now. I decided that I wanted to try out my Sony camera for the, you know, car related stuff. So we're gonna see how that goes. Maybe I'll do a mix of, it's gonna be really weird to get used to on how to drive with this. Gonna be possibly using a mix of both. I don't know yet on what I am planning on doing, but I'd like to hear from you guys in the comments if it's at all better. It's better quality, worse quality, you know. And you know what you guys think that I should work on, and like what you guys car related want to see. You know, there's always like there's, I wouldn't say always, but you know, we've got like drifting events, stuff like that I think are coming up. Maybe I'll record a few of those. Maybe I'll get a couple friends, see if they want to do some drifting videos and all that, you know, just branch out and do different things, I guess, rather than just me sitting here talking. But this is more so just like a test with this camera to see how the mic picks everything up. I know there's ways to get external mics for this one. Natively, it does not support one. Fortunately, I think this is the A6200, A6000. One of the mirrorless lineups. So hopefully you guys, you know, can see a difference in the quality. I don't know how it will show up on YouTube, quality-wise, but yeah, I know that the mirrorless, you know, it produces really good photos, so I'm hoping that the video also comes out well. And I would just like your guys' help, you know, deciding that. Sorry. I gotta get used to this whole driving the camera in my hand, you know? Used to having like the GoPro that I can just put wherever. So, I told you guys about the tint strip. Well, I haven't gotten in trouble yet, but I can't. So if I've got this at eye level, I can't see the lights, and it's kind of rough, to be honest with you. Like, it kind of sucks. So, but it wouldn't be the first car that I've had like this. So once we get past the light, because this light likes to take forever, I will get back with you guys. So we're back, we're cruising on the highway. I did see, I want to say it was a 300, 350 CX, I don't know. I'm not too familiar with those cars. All I saw was the front end, and I probably should know from that, but I honestly don't. So, I don't know, we'll see if he pulls up next to us. I don't know, he's kind of far back there now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the last video that I did. I know it wasn't anything, you know, really special. It was just showing stuff off, just talking. It took a little bit longer to do the tint strip than we anticipated. Ran into one small hiccup, but we did get it resolved. Sorry guys, I'm just getting over into the middle lane. But we ended up, you know, we got it installed. It's a little, I mean, I knew it was going to be lower than what's legal, but it's all good. I don't mind. It's, you know, it's one of those things that's like, you know, whatever. So, pretty much just go get in trouble for it, I will, you know, take that route when I come to it. Pretty much, it's legal until it's not, until you get caught. So, and then I have my rear spoiler, not spoiler, sorry, rear window visor. I'm gonna check that when I get to work today, just to see how it held up at 70 plus mile an hour speeds. Make sure that everything is good to go with that, because I would hate for that to fly off and, you know, cause any damage, which, you know, I've been waiting to drive it at these speeds for a little bit so that I can see how it holds up. And that car ended up like taking off that's in front of me. I was, you know, trying to get around them, and now they're probably 7-8 car lengths ahead of me, and I'm speeding right now, and I'm getting passed. Like, look at this. Like, I'm being passed by like everyone right now. And now there's a car winging it around right there. It might be an undercover. Nah, it's a Honda. I was about to say might be an undercover cop, but it's not. So, but this white car was not the one in front of me. It's the black one that's in front of him. I don't know if you guys, how well you guys can see that from here, but yeah, that's the car that was definitely like where this white car is. Here, I'll set cruise, that way I don't have to worry about the pedals. So, but yeah, this is just, like I said, this is just a little test on quality. I hope the quality is better, if not the same. And we'll pretty much just go from there. And maybe I'll do a mix of both. I know the GoPro's got like the really wide angle and stuff like that, so I like that. And I feel like that's a little bit better for POV drives, but, you know, I want to be more, you know, in the video, I guess you could say. So, hope you guys do enjoy this video. Let me know how the quality is, everything like that, and we will have, I'm trying to think when I'm going to pull some stuff and get the next piece to the puzzle, if you guys know what I mean. So, hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.
Skirting through the streets of Tokyo, up in the Cadillac. Got the sauce like a Motani, hit the ball like got a rack. She be thirsty, give a sake, bitch, you know I keep a pack. You can say that I'm the captain, call me Mr. Quarterback. Pushing through them heights and busting haters, all y'all bitches whack. Codeine all up in my system, sipping lean like it's my snack. Dedicated for my future, finna keep that shit on track. Mac 11's got the Glock, finna pull up to your block. Finna pull up to one oak and down that Henny, run the clock. Tokyo, my cover ground, if you step onto my turf, I'll be watching all around. You best be better for the worst. I've been driving to the top, see my name up on the block. I got shorty, she gon' bust it down, yeah. Too much ice, I'm finna drown, no. But you better come around, yeah. All up in a dream, girl. Got a pocket full of Hondas, boss up like a Rondo. In the layup on a condo, falling with my team, yeah. Coming to the top now, I be going up. Balenciaga Supreme, yeah. She a real bad bitch, and she finna bust it down. Working every day, money all up on the ground. Never give a fuck till I met her in my dreams, yeah. In my dreams, yeah. Shorty, she gon' bust it down.